Driver accused of slamming into a 12-year-old boy and taking off has a prior record of evading police.
Cajon police arrested 35-year-old Dani Korkis in October for the hit and run that injured the child. CBS 8's Abby Black in court today as he faced the charges. Abby, good afternoon.
Stephen, Anna, a judge did not hold back today, slamming a defendant for a pattern of reckless behavior that ended up landing a 12-year-old boy in the hospital.
The story begins July 17th when he consciously decides to evade an officer. And you would have thought after that event that he would have changed his behavior, but he doesn't. August 11th comes. What's he doing? He's evading an officer again and reckless driving. And then, to top it all off, we have a hit and run with a serious injury in October, all which could have been avoided if he simply followed the traffic laws that everybody else is supposed to do. But he doesn't do that.
Court records show that Korkis was charged with evading police in July and August involving reckless driving. He also failed to appear on one of those charges. His defense attorney says that he's unfamiliar with the judicial system and appeared later that same day. But let's talk about the most recent case, the hit and run. Prosecutors say on October 22nd, 35-year-old Dani Korkis hit the boy as he crossed Valentine Street, then took off. Police matched debris from the scene to Korkis's white BMW SUV. His own mother and brother urged him to turn himself in, but Korkis denied driving, claiming he loaned the car to a woman. This was all said in court today. The district attorney says that surveillance footage from the family's smoke shop in Lakeside tells a different story.
We have surveillance footage from his parents' smoke shop indicating that he was aware that he struck at least an individual, though perhaps not the 12-year-old. It is then clear from his family that he saw on the news or was notified in some way that he had hit a 12-year-old, and despite that, still did not turn himself in.
Prosecutors say that Korkis told his family that he saw blood on the hood, but claimed he thought that he hit a dog or a transient. Korkis pleaded not guilty in court today. The judge cited his reckless driving record, and because of that, he said that he is going and he upped his bail to $1.5 million. He's scheduled to be back in court on November 10th.
And Abby, let's make sure the child who was hit isn't lost in all of this.
Yeah.
How is that boy doing now?
Well, his family was not in court today, but I did reach out and talk to the deputy district attorney about this, just to check in on how the boy is doing, how the family is doing. And she says, as you can imagine, this is challenging for the family. She says that the boy had to go through surgery for a broken arm, a broken leg, and he had multiple teeth knocked out, and those that are remaining are being held in with a wire. So he has a very long road to recovery. He's still in the hospital being treated for those injuries.
A 12-year-old boy, and these injuries, I mean, just devastating. Abby, yeah, it just really gets you in the gut. Okay, thank you for covering. Thank you for letting us know about that.
Yeah,